All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, GPU mining, buying the Bitcoin, selling the Bitcoin, all kinds of cryptocurrency. Well, today we're talking about Shiba Inu. And guess what? Today it's being listed on Binance. That's right. Binance is going to be able to be offered that you can buy your Shiba Inu coins right here on the Binance. We were talking about how Robinhood was going to list it. Kind of flew underneath my radar. Didn't even think about this. Do me a favor, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. Don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So again, being traded on Binance starting today. This is going to make Shiba Inu a more popular coin. Literally, it just got traded on Webull last week. So now Webull is accepting Shiba Inu. And now all of a sudden Binance Shiba Inu. And then by the end of the month, it could be Robinhood. Well, guess what, everybody? When everybody has an easier access to basically get the coin, buy it on the app, buy it on the thing, and it's a one click away. That's kind of what happened with Dogecoin. When Dogecoin was only a penny and nobody really could get it, once it started getting listed on platforms and it was more easier to be able to buy the coin, guess what? Well, guess what? And basically, Shiba Inu puts itself as the Doge killer, the Dogecoin killer. Okay, I just like the fact that Dogecoin is way up there. Okay, over there it is. Take a look at it. There's the pillow. But it's way up there. If Dogecoin is way up there, but the Shiba Inu coin is always talked about with the Doge, this is going to be big. So let's go ahead and talk about Shiba Inu. All right, so we're over here at Binance, and right here on Binance, it says how to buy Shiba Inu coin. What is Shiba Inu? The Shiba Inu launches less than a year ago, named after another dog breed. ERC20 only token that trades as Shiba. According to the Shiba Inu website, Shiba champions itself. Here it is, everybody. The Dogecoin killer. Let me say that again. The Dogecoin killer. Can you think about that? It puts in the quotations, the Dogecoin killer, and will be listed on its own Shiba Swap, a decentralized exchange for now. Shiba may be a meme coin and with no underlying value or use of cases, but experts says that its popularity should not be ignored since its reflection the behavior of the new growing class of cryptocurrency traders. Buy Shiba Inu coins. So scrolling down here, how to buy your Shiba Inu. Well, it says you deposit your fiat and trade the Shiba. Use the fiat deposit to add cash to your Binance in your local currency into your Binance account. With the account deposit, you can complete a Shiba purchase or spot trade Shiba with the available fiat pairs. Trade Shiba. Binance supports the deposit of more than 150 cryptocurrencies, several for which can be exchanged for Shiba at some point of the best rates in the market. Buy Shiba with a credit card. You can directly purchase Shiba with a credit card on Binance at this moment. However, the best routine to buy Shiba is to deposit your local currency and then trade or exchange the Shiba. It's going to make it easier. Take a look, everybody. Right there's that picture of the phone. And when you can actually go right on your phone and it makes it a lot more easier to buy your Shiba Inu. Guess what? The Shiba Inu army, we're going to make this happen. It says buy and sell your Shiba on the move. Download the Binance crypto trading app and trade your Shiba plus 150 cryptocurrencies anytime, anywhere. Binance, where the world trades Shiba Inu coins. So it says it's fast. Binance is the world's matching engineer, supports for over 1.4 million orders per second that ensures that your crypto trading experience is quick and reliable. Let's head over to the top 10. Well, we're over here at the top 10, but I'm actually starting at Shiba Inu. Take a look here. It's actually on at Coin Market Cap. It's listed at number 55. Take a look, everybody. It's up 11% in the last 7 days. So we just started talking about this coin. In the last 24 hours, it's actually up 2.23%. So this coin is climbing. It's at number 55. I know we've been talking about the AMP coin. Remember I told you when you're watching the AMP, when you're watching the Shiba, they're right next to each other. AMP is at number 59. It's actually down about 5%. Don't you worry about AMP though. That thing's going to be climbing too. But I wanted to say Shiba Inu number 55, AMP number 59. All right, over here at the top 10, Bitcoin is at number 1. It's trading at 47,000. It's up about 4% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is at number 2, trading at 33.95. It's up 2.63% in the last 24 hours. Cardano is at a solid number 3. It's down about 5% in the last 7 days, trading at $2.38. I was talking about when this coin does go below $2.50 to pay attention. Here it is, $2.38. Binance coin is at number 4, trading at $411.58. It is also up about 2.79% in the last 24 hours. We got XRP at number 6. It's actually down 4% in the last 7 days, trading at $100.09. We got Solana actually down $157. It's down 11% in the last 7 days, but still at number 7 though. Polkadot's at a solid number 8. It's up 29%. So if you're looking for what's going up, Polkadot's right there, a 29% increase, trading at about $36.69. You got the Dogecoin at number 9 cryptocurrency in the world. It's actually down about 8% in the last 7 days. USD coin is at number 10. Want to go ahead and see that Bitcoin Cash? It's right there, trading at number 16. It's down 5%, $638. So it says the total global crypto market is at $2.13 trillion. It's actually up 3.47% in the last 24 hours. Yeah, so you know what, everybody? I got a little treat for everybody. I'm over here at Puppy Spots, and I got Shiba Inu puppies. So a lot of people, when they're into the Shibas, guess what? They'll actually get a Shiba Inu dog. So take a look. Here's Jack. He's only 5 weeks old. Pretty nice. You click the picture, and it goes right over to Jack, 5-week-old male. So pretty good. $36.49. So we got the Shiba Inu dog, Jack. Kind of going back here. There's actually a lot to choose from, over 20. Rocky over here, the Shiba Inu. Daisy. Let's take a look at Daisy. So Daisy is at $35.49 for this little Shiba. This Shiba's 5 weeks old. Was available on October 4th coming up here. So Puppy Spot, if you're looking to actually be a real get in your coins and you actually got your dog too. We got Shadow over here, Charlie, Storm, Dasher. Let's take a look at Dasher. Dasher's right here, 7 weeks. I think Dasher actually found a home. So what does it say here at the bottom of Dasher? I found a new home. So Diva and Dasher and Storm and Charlie and Essa, they're all finding a home and stuff. So just wanted to have a little fun here at the Puppy Spot, looking at Shiba Inu puppies. All right, back here talking about Binance. So so it says simple. Trading the crypto on Binance is easy. You only need a few steps to buy Shiba Inu coins instantly. Secure and trusted. Millions of global crypto users trust in a multi-tier, multi-cluster system. I actually have a Binance account and I use it all the time. I have a Binance account and I use it all the time. I have my AMCoin on there. I have Solana on there. I have Ethereum on there. I have a lot of Dogecoin on there. So Binance, I've been using that for months and months. So definitely excited that I can get my Shiba Inu on Binance. So it's like we were just talking about how it's traded on eToro, and then we were just talking how Robinhood's there's 250,000 people sending in a thing saying they want to be traded. Okay, Robinhood, other platforms are going to do it. And again, I don't know. I would accept it, but guess what? As of today, you can get your Shiba Inu. This is absolutely awesome. Then it says liquid. Binance is the world's most liquid cryptocurrency exchange with the biggest volume across multiple crypto pairs. What to do after I buy the Shiba Inu coin? You can store and /hold the Shiba Inu coin. It actually says it right here on the website. Many users hold on the Shiba Inu coins with the expectation of increasing in value. You can store your Shiba safely on the Binance account on our crypto wallet app, Trust the Wallet, the most user-friendly and secure mobile wallet. Trade Shiba Inu coins. You can trade Shiba coins for over 150 different cryptocurrencies on the Binance industry-leading fast and secure trading platform. Binance offers many trading pairs for Shiba Inu coins, trading to meet your needs. And then learn more about Shiba Inu coins. You can read more in-depth articles on Shiba Inu coins. So, hey everybody, this is gigantic that literally Shiba Inu is being traded on Binance Coin. So everybody, guess what? The Shiba Army, let's go on there. Let's go ahead and get some Shiba Inu coins. I don't know if you're going to hold it, trade it, whatever. I just like the fact that, guess what? It makes it more easier for my vision for every single person on the planet one day to have cryptocurrency. And again, on the Binance platform, you can buy 150 different cryptocurrencies. So, you know, everybody's heard of usually those top 10, and I like to talk about the top 10, so it's right there for you, so you can kind of hear names and, you know, Polkadot and all these different names, Bitcoin Cash. But when there's 150 of them, guess what? There could be that number 137 because you're using this to buy your Shiba Inu and you're starting to pay attention, and that thing goes from 137 to 37. Holy, guess what? That's why we do this channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe to the channel so you can subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All our information here on Frank's Crypto Corner is brought to you for educational purposes only. We like to share this information just so we can all get educated on the cryptocurrency. A lot of things going on, AMP coin, Shiba Inu, all kinds of great stuff. All right, I decided to bring you guys a little bit of a treat over here at Amazon. Shiba Inu Army, and guess what? Right here, Shiba Inu Army t-shirts for $18.99. So if you want to represent, it comes in all kinds of different colors. You can get it in blue, you can get it in white, you can get your Shiba Inu Army shirt in red, comes in green. Basically, I mean, I think there's like 15 different colors. There's even a pink here. If you like pink, if you like silver, what are you into? Over here at Amazon.com, you can put the Shiba Inu Army in there, and there's all kinds of shirts that you can get. Oh, so, okay. So with all that, you know, we got the Dogecoin in the news. Shiba Inu is basically being traded on Binance today. It's actually coined as the Dogecoin killer. I mean, I don't know. McDonald's and Burger King, they're pretty competitive. But guess what? When you think of McDonald's, you think of Burger King. You know what? When you think of Dogecoin, you're thinking of Shiba Inu. It's down there at number 50 on the number 55 on the charts. We're gonna watch this thing go up. We're gonna help everybody to have some cryptocurrency. Don't forget to click right here so you'll see our most recent video. And again, here at Frank's Crypto Corner, we love to bring you all kinds of news and information. Let's go ahead and go to Binance today. You can actually buy your Shiba Inu coin today on Binance. Thanks for tuning in. Every single day, we bring you a video at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday through Friday. On the weekend, we can bring it to you anywhere from about 1 o'clock to 3 or 4 o'clock. So thanks for tuning in, and you have an awesome day today.